Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your host, LJ, here at Russ Darrow. Kia is never a bad day here. Now, I just wanted to shed some light to our viewers and let you know what we've been doing recently. With this past summer, we've been given goals, we've met expectations, we've been killing it. I can't lie. Russ Darrow Kia has been on that top leaderboard. Now, we had a key aspect that helped us get to our goals and helped us with our sales. Now, one vehicle out of our whole entire Kia lineup has surpassed every goal and is the #1 top seller for this summer 2024. So, without further ado, drum roll please. Brrr, boom, you could have guessed it. It's the 2024 Kia Sportage. Not only does this have an awesome design, but the practicality and features that come with it make it even better. I mean, just take a look on the inside. You got a full leather interior with butt warmers and butt coolers with a heated steering wheel, and you have a 12.3-inch infotainment cluster that joins in with your ADAS system. And with Kia's top-selling SUV, you have the option to drive hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or run on straight gas. And it comes in all-wheel drive. That wraps up Kia's best-selling vehicle for summer of 2024. However, I am anticipating the new 2025 redesigned K5 to outsell every other vehicle for next summer 2025. Stay tuned.